This week, purchase electricity or lottery tickets for at least 20 Rand on the Nedbank Money app and stand a chance to win 5,000 Rand data. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Young Africans 0. Mamelodi Sundowns wins by penalties. I'm joined by Ulong.
Alright, Long Dilange.
Yes.
Hashtag is strong.
Yes.
Toliga Mate.
Yes.
Musima no Mutele.
Yes.
Obalanza Mahota.
Yes.
Waibona, ne?
Waibona.
Waitimo.
Yeah.
The last speaker, Wailata.
Are.
Even though it's Sabro.
Yeah, Yakatwa.
More Arcobelaga. Kaiser Chiefs.
0.
No, Arcobelaga Kaiser Chiefs.
0.
Kaiser Chiefs, they were given Morocco, Naku leaking yellow practice and go on.
Everything.
Maybe it's a Premier Soccer League. Quality dominating.
Yeah.
You got to practice and go there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you this.
What?
How many like Sundowns?
Yes.
Something mention Orlando Pirates. Man, I need star.
Yeah.
And what's Baring?
The
only Southern Hemisphere teams.
Yes.
Kadista.
Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. Only. Chiefs are not star, Aye. Let Dynamo Sako Zimbabwe in a star. Serious?
Yes. So Arabulaga Chiefs, why is that reading?
Yeah.
The Tomago condolences to them.
Yes.
They lost a player.
True.
Even though he hasn't kicked the ball, but he's still their player.
Yeah.
South Africa la hits.
Yeah, rest in peace. Yeah.
Re to like game ka tjena.
Bulele.
Wa tsena re politiki. O ka tsentsa di politiki.
Sure.
My brother. YouTube ito rana ka di likes tse dintsi. So what's that really?
Yeah.
Ama petso etu re chaba di likes tse dintsi ba tla ba patela too much mfana. Ba re go patela thata. Are tsena mo game ya today. We are playing young Africans. Is it young Africans?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
They were young.
Yeah.
They are young. And why
Why?
Because their owner idolized that small team that is always beaten in the Premier League.
Which one?
They lost to the Grapes team, the one that make wines in Cape Town.
Which one?
Stellenbosch.
Oh!
You understand?
Okay.
So you can't say your idol is Kaiser Chiefs. You must say your idol is Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
If that team, before they said they idolized Mamelodi Sundowns, they could have scored.
Young Africans.
Yes, but you know what I'm gonna say to you?
What?
They matched Mamelodi Sundowns pound for pound.
True.
Truly speaking, 0-0 away, 0-0 home.
Yes.
They matched us pound for pound. Not like these other 15 teams in the PSL. These ones, they deserve to play in the PSL.
You got luck.
No, we can swap.
I interviewed young Africans, but they really luck.
No, listen.
That's what they say.
I'm gonna tell you this. No. Can I tell you this? Wait. Can I tell you this? No, they matched us for pound for pound. We're not lucky. Okay. And we're not lucky because football is all about luck.
Yeah, exactly.
We scored our penalties. Because eventually the game was supposed to go to penalties. Eventually there was supposed to be a winner.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
So that means Mamelodi Sundowns did their job today.
True.
At Torkop, we were practicing those kicks. At Torkop, we was practicing to save. And you know what? He's showing South Africans at the Nations Cup. It was not a fluke. Saving 3 penalties today, saved 2. You get it?
I get it.
And then, you know stage fright? That kick went up. It's a stage fright. You understand? But I'm telling you, bring this guy here. I'm telling you now. I've got Josie 14. This is a young African by heart. This guy alone, no sponsor, alone. He went to Tanzania.
And he held there. He went to Tanzania.
Yes. He went to Tanzania with Mamelodi. They represent us very well. We drew 0-0. Their support was valuable. And he paid for himself. Not multiples money. He's teaching Mamelodi Sundowns supporters, do it for yourself. You understand? So I'm gonna tell you this.
Man of the match.
My man. You know, I'm gonna tell you. No. There's no man of the match.
Okay.
All the 11 players that started the game, 11 man of the match. Substitute, man of the match. The best man of the match is the coach. His tactics worked today.
Yes.
We can't pick out one player.
Yeah.
The whole team, they deserve it.
True, my brother.
And then the last man of the match is the supporters of Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
They came in numbers.
Yeah.
And thanks to Orlando Pirates for supporting.
Yeah.
Bad luck to Kaizer Chiefs for standing with the enemy. You understand? They are going down. No top 8 for them. They are going down.
For Chiefs?
Yes.
No top 8?
You can't. You don't go with anything. Mamelodi Sundowns already 3 league by minute. You can't. Never. We are, you know what? Now, the only thing that is missing in our cabinet is that second star.
Yes.
And we deserve it now.
Yeah.
It's time to take it.
Are you going to take it this season?
I'm telling you, I'm putting my head on the block.
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns will be crowned. Will be crowned.
CAF.
Champions League. Champions.
Champions.